So, hello everybody. So today I am bringing to you Hurricane Matthew. My 31-day get to know me kind of got messed up preparing for this hurricane or whatever, you know. And so I figured I'd just do a little, vloggy whatnot and record the kids and then the aftermath and everything. So if you want to see some of it and what my kids decided to do to entertain themselves, even though it's kind of dark because we didn't have power at the time, stick around and here you go. What is your name? Just your first name.
Nevaeh.
What do they call you?
Nevaeh.
Okay. Is this your first hurricane?
Yes.
Are you scared?
No.
So, now, who is with you today?
My mom. My mom, my sister, my baby brother, my other sister, my grandma, and my grandpa.
Okay. So you're not scared of the storm?
No.
Will you be scared when it actually arrives and the wind blows?
Maybe. I don't know yet.
Is there anything you want to tell the people of YouTube?
Well, I did lose a tooth.
Okay, about the storm.
Well, I do a book about it.
Oh, you want to write a book about it? Okay.
Well, I already did.
Oh, okay.
My grandpa stapled it for me.
Cool. Other questions? Are you prepared for the storm? Do you have flashlights and candles?
My mom didn't get me a flashlight or a lantern for myself.
But there's some in the house?
Huh?
But you have some at the house?
Yeah, but they're only for the grown-ups.
Do you have plenty of water?
Yeah.
Do you have plenty of food?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go interview somebody else.
I'll go get somebody.
And what is your name?
Aaliyah.
And what do they call you?
Leo.
Okay. Is this your first hurricane?
No.
What was your first hurricane? Hurricane.
Hurry.
Was you scared?
No.
Are you scared now?
Not really.
Okay, so who is with you during this storm?
Who's gonna be with me? My grandfather, my grandmother, my two siblings, my two sisters, and my brother and my mother.
Is that it? Where's your dad going to be in this whole business?
He has to go to Dublin because he does National Guard.
Is there anything you would like to say to the people of YouTube about this storm? Leah Marie. Speak to the people.
If y'all live where the storm is happening, just be safe.
Okay. Triton, say hi.
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 Hey.
Leah.
How about?
You got a big old head. All right, y'all. Let me focus on his face. It's not playing. He looks like he's got running eyeliner.
Yeah. But yet he does it. His boys don't do it.
Okay. What is your name?
Kendra.
What do they call you?
Kenny McFly.
Is this your first hurricane?
Yeah, hurricane.
Are you scared of this one?
No, because I'm going to be asleep.
Okay. So who's going to be with you during this storm?
My cat.
Anyone else?
Tank.
Who is Tank?
The dog.
is your family going to be during this?
Oh, no, I'm going to be asleep, so.
I don't remember. Oh, do you have anything to say to the people of YouTube land about this storm?
Man, I asked for rain, not the whole ocean. Fine. Anyways, I need lotions.
Enough.
I'm almost done with my picture.
Okay. Did you know we were under a tornado warning?
We're under a tornado warning?
We were until 1:45. But it was kind of going north of us, so it's just hitting the end of the county.
I've been through so many tornadoes in my life.
You've been through no tornadoes. You've been through a lot of tornado warnings, but not a lot of tornadoes.
Because we went to the shelter that one time.
Wasn't a tornado though.
It was a tornado.
No.
Yeah.
No,
Was
it
it a
didn't
big
go
one?
through our town.
But I still went through it though.
We went through tornado warnings.
Yeah, but it went.
You weren't through an actual tornado because it did not actually hit you.
No, then
Where
I would
you
be
were.
dead.
No, I meant where you were. You've only went through the warnings.
I live on Fort Stewart.
You did not live on Fort Stewart.
We live right beside it. We live like right on Fort
But
Stewart.
it didn't come out of Fort Stewart that day and get you. And you weren't even here that day. We were in Savannah that day.
We need to go to Savannah. We need to go to PetSmart.
I'm sorry, Savannah's closed.
Ooh.
And I mean closed. They actually have a curfew.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh.
7, right?
What's a
I don't know.
curfew? What's a curfew?
I know they
It
were
means the
talking
time you
about.
have to be in the house by.
I know, like yesterday or last night, they were talking about if you're like going onto the islands or whatever, you have till 7 p.m. because that's when they close.
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Don't have to yell, crazy child. Now you can't see nothing. Oh, no one wants to look up your nose. Kiddos they wrote all over my screen. And it's raining out here. It's rainy. It's kind of bright out here. Why is that so crazy?
Wait, what are those? The ditches.
You gotta sit in it.
No, I mean she has to stairs.
Oh well, you better watch something. I don't know why this is so. Oh, display went off. Huh? Focus.
I got 14.
I want her to sit in it. I'll give you $5 to lay in it.
For how long?
Hold on, let me fix my camera first. They are outside in the rain. Hey, what's up? Lay down in the ditch. I give you $5 for laying in the ditch. You don't trust your mother?
Not really. You only have $82 that you're supposed to pay me off camera.
I kind of see that. Oh, I won't focus though. My children are weird. Alright, goofball. Time to come in. It's time to come in. I see that. I see that. Yes. right, weirdo. Come on. Come on, let's go back in the house now.
Okay. But you owe me $5.
I didn't bet you. You were enjoying that yourself.
Huh?
You were the one who wanted to get in that water yourself, weirdo.
But you owe me
I don't know you nothing.
Yes, you do.
Nope. You're the one who got in that yourself. What?
Right here.
I'm kind of occupied. Come on. The house.
Okay.
Stupid dog. Woo! Where the heck did that fall from? Ooh, where'd that one come from?
Yeah, that door. Huh?
Where'd that one come from?
Oh, got me right up there off that one of that tree right there. See the piece sticking out?
Yeah, I see it.
Right there.
Eee. My camera's getting wet.
Whoa.
Yeah, you need to shade it. Hey, there's an umbrella. Out there, there's an umbrella in the garage. That's about that time Dad said the wind's picking up, about that time that tree come crackling down.
Yeah, this is what we got in our backyard. Huge, tall pine trees. All around us.
Was a pizza one.
Huh?
That was a pizza one.
Yeah, those are these. Our whole branches are the only thing that comes down. Yeah.
You know what, Brady?
You know what? Did they even secure their yard?
Huh?
Did they even secure their yard, Emmy?
Nope.
It don't look like it.
No, they didn't do nothing to it. I didn't even see them home.
So, I don't know if I'm sleeping in my
I know,
bedroom
but
tonight.
you guys need a gutter
Ooh!
here.
We need the bowls.
Don't tell
Right. Ooh, where'd it go? Yep, right there is where it came from. Yep, that's where the tree came from.
No.
It's a jungle out here.
Tanky.
Tanky. My house is a mess. Don't judge me. 4 kids, don't judge me. And you can't see nothing. There's Tanky.
Mama,
What?
when am I going to change it now?
In the bathroom?
Papa's in there.
My bathroom is upstairs. My house is a mess. I should clean it, but I don't feel like it. I'm storm watching. Dog? No. Dog? No. Tank? No. Dude, the monkey knows. No. You need obedience training. Wait till I get the money. I'm going to start a fundraiser just for you obedience training. Shoot. Yeah, you better lay down. Better lay down. All right, let's go see what's out front. Don't you touch that monkey. Man, they still didn't put those where I told them to put them. You're not going outside. We're going to look through the glass. Can't open the door because the tank runs out. Ah, that's my gutter. It's flooded. Or not my gutter, but my ditch in my yard. Yeah, it's a ditch. Yep. Okay. They're swaying over there too. What's there?
Whoa. Why is the sky gray?
It's cloudy. What's it like, 6 something? Woo! Look at the breeze. I'm getting wet. Rain is getting heavier, and I'm getting wetter. The power's been flicked off and on. It's like 6:30. Hey Ma, what time is it? Yeah, 6:45 on Friday, October 7th, and this looks like we're just getting started here. We are in for a long night. Woo! Ooh! I'm getting wet! The wind shifted and I'm getting wet. And that looks just great freaky.
What happened?
The wind shifted and I started getting wet. The trees look mighty
You
freaky.
had something come down back here. I heard it.
Yeah, it's back in there.
Yeah.
It's mighty freaky. I know, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't look that freaky on camera through the viewfinder as it does standing here actually looking at them.
Yeah.
Alright, can't see you. Can't see you. Can't see you. Whoop, 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 whoop. Almost dropped it.
Hi. Hi. I do.
Do you?
I do.
I see you.
Do.
I see you.
Do.
See you. Ouch, you're hurting me. Your elbow. Monkey baby.